Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the screen mirroring, the cast on HONOR MagicPad 4. At first open the settings and here tap more connections. Here you've got the wireless projection, tap it. Here you can select the button preferences if you want to send notifications. Discover nearby devices and record audio. I mean, you need to select this three so that you can agree for this. And now we are searching for the devices. So now you need to on your smart TV have. You need to have the smart TV that's compatible with it, and then it will be here. You don't really need to do nothing more. It should be just here, and it works with many TVs, like, for example, Samsung SmartView, Miracast, LG ScreenShare, Sony compatible casting, devices supporting Miracast. Make sure that the tablet and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network, and TV screen mirroring mode is turned on. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.